how to buy GMT GMT tokens. As you can see, so before we start, this is not financial advice. I am not professional or economic expert. So before investing in any project that you find on my channel, please do your own research. As you can see, this is their X account. They have a big community there. Just go and check it and keep following their updates about this token. So they release this token. As you can see, this is the post of it. Now if you want to buy this token, just go and open it in CoinMarketCap. As you can see, now go and copy the token address, as you can see, under the Ethereum network, and go and open your Bitget wallet from here. Now after that, go to your wallet and now click on Ethereum here to select it as the network. Now click on plus here and paste the token address, as you can see. Now click on plus to be added to your wallet. Now go back and find it on your wallet. Just wait a few seconds. As you can see, this is our token. Just click on swap and now click on switch from here. Now select the token that you want to buy with, for example USDT. So if you have, make sure you have enough USDT on your wallet and enter here how much you want to buy with that token. So this is how much you will receive. Now after that, click on buy and you will buy this GMT token. So this is how to buy the GMT token. If you find this video helpful, please like and subscribe. See you in the next video.